We are back with Dr. William Hedden. Thanks so much for being here.
You're welcome. Thanks for having me.
Women must love you. You make such a big difference in their appearance.
Well, we try to just augment what they already have and just kind of bring out some of their beauty within. What you find is it's really common during the holidays that they don't want the facelift or the big procedure. What they want is they want something just to kind of make them look refreshed and to where they're more comfortable smiling, like Dr. Dudney had mentioned earlier. Part of that is just easing the creases, some of the lines. With Karen, we had talked a lot about the lines in the forehead and around the mouth. And what you find is there's some great techniques out that are very inexpensive. Botox, a very quick treatment you can use and get a response within 2 to 14 days. And Juvederm, which is another filler, you can get a response immediately. So a little downtime and a great look.
Now, how long, if you get Botox or Juvederm, how long can you expect they both last?
Sure, they're a little different. Botox is a paralytic, so it blocks the muscles that are pulling on that skin that form that crease. And it usually lasts anywhere from, we see some patients that get a 3-month to 6-month response. With the Juvederm, the filler, we've seen anywhere from 4 months up to a year. It just depends on the person. But
wow.
It's a great pick-me-up, definitely for the holidays, and kind of immediately you get results with the Juvederm. Actually, when we had Karen on the table, as soon as we injected and showed her with a mirror, you know, my sign that they're happy is a nice sigh. They go, you know, and they're just really happy with the results, and you can see it immediately.
Now, Karen expressed why she wanted it done, but for the viewer out there listening that is not sure, do I need it? Am I ready for it? How do you know if you look in the mirror if you'd be a good candidate?
My whole thought with any cosmetic surgery is that if you are spending too much time in front of the mirror, you know, every day or once a week, and you are upset with something about how you look, whether it's your eyes, your face, lines, creases, that's too much time to spend worrying about how you look. And at that point, you probably need to come in and talk to us. There are so many quick, easy things you can do to just, you know, enhance your skin, the texture, the lines. And I think everybody's pretty afraid that it's very expensive, but the procedures we're talking about today are just a few $100s. They're very inexpensive.
Really?
And it's a great pick-me-up. So if you're thinking about it too much, then that's the time to come in. How
many years would you guesstimate it took off of Karen's face?
I don't want to take away the surprise when everybody sees her, because I didn't recognize her either when she first came in. But you know, I think anytime you do the Juvederm to the creases or you do the Botox, definitely several years are taken off. It's more of a sternness is taken away from the face, so they look more refreshed and more relaxed. Usually when it starts to wear off, they come in because they say their daughter said they looked angry or upset. And so that's how you know. And
real quickly, it's good for men too. We're highlighting Karen today, but men and women can come see you.
Absolutely. Probably about a third of our patients for Botox are men. So
okay, you're going to stick with us for Karen's big reveal, and Dr. Dudney as well. So we're going to come back.